Rainwater harvesting system. Good day, everyone. My name is Juniby Obshoma, and today I will present my project entitled Rainwater Harvesting System. Rainwater harvesting is a simple way of collecting and storing rainwater so that it can be reused for household activities. For my project, I use bamboo as the gutter. The bamboo is placed along the roof to collect rainwater. Then it rains. The water flows from the roof into the bamboo gutter and then goes into the collection container. I choose bamboo because it is natural, affordable, and easy to find. I also use cotton as a simple filter. The cotton helps reduce visible dirt and small debris from the collected rainwater before it enters the storage container. However, this water is not intended for drinking because the cotton filter alone cannot make the water safe for consumption. The collected rainwater is stored in a container. Instead of letting rainwater go to waste, I can reuse it for different household activities. In my project, the harvested rainwater can be used for laundry and washing plates or dishes. This helps reduce the use of treated water and encourages us to conserve our water supply. Here are the benefits. This rainwater harvesting system has many benefits. It helps save water, reduce water waste, and make use of a natural resource. It is also a practical and low-cost project because it uses simple materials such as bamboo and cotton. For conclusion, to include To conclude, my rainwater harvesting system shows that we can make a difference through simple and sustainable practices. By collecting rainwater and reusing it for household activities, we can help conserve water and protect our environment. Remember, save water, harvest rain, and protect our environment. Thank you for watching.